Hey y'all, my name is Lex, and I'm the fashion blogger and content creator behind Lexicon of Style. And I am here to introduce you to the new generation of imPRESS manicure. So when applying your imPRESS manicure, you want to start out with pushing back your cuticle with your manicure stick, just like so. After you're done pushing back your cuticle, you want to measure each imPRESS nail to your own nails. You can do this by measuring up each nail with the tab facing your cuticle and looking at the number on each tab. And you can see here that I'm using a size 10 on my pinky nail to ensure that the imPRESS nail isn't touching any of my skin. After you've measured out your nails, the most important step is to clean off your nails with the mini prep pad. This removes any excess oils or dirt, which helps the nails stay on for longer. Just like we did when we were measuring out the nail, you want to line up the nail perfectly with your cuticle and then remove the plastic back, go back to where we were measuring, slide it in, and press firmly in the middle to secure the nail. And there you go. Within seconds, you have the perfect nail. So when it comes time to remove your nails, it's super easy, hassle-free, and doesn't damage the natural nail at all. What you want to do is just grab your manicure stick and start lifting from the side of the nail. And you can see here that they pop off super easily, and my nails underneath are perfectly fine. Now I've got nails for days. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed, and go try these out. They'll literally change your life.